in this tutorial, I'm going to tell you or teach you what Whop is and also how you can make money from Whop. So, what is Whop? Whop is a social commerce platform where anyone can create and sell access to digital products like courses, tips, or other online content, essentially acting as their own online hub. That is just in a simple term what Whop is. But when it comes to application, there are so many ways that Whop can be applied to the everyday businesses. And there's also so many ways you can make money from Whop. And that is where we are going to find out in as we continue this course. Now I'm going to show you an example of Whop. Now the first example of Whop is autopilot clip and UGC. Right? So this is a Whop where members get paid to make videos on TikTok, Instagram, and other preferred social media handle by the Whop owner. So if you go further, you can see the Whop leaderboard for autopilot clips and UGC. You can see Jay has made over $33.7K. Fibs have made over what? $27K. Freedom has made over $23K, and so on and so forth. What they do is so simple. They create videos on TikTok, Instagram, and they get paid for it. As simple as that. They create videos on TikTok and Instagram and they get paid for it. And now this is just an example of Whop. There are so many different Whop in the Whop platform that is being handled by so many different people or businesses. So you go into the Whop, participate in whatever they are offering, and you make money for yourself. Another example of Whop is the UGC factory. UGC factory is a Whop in the Whop platform where you will learn how to make UGC. And UGC stands for user generated content. So you make UGC for brands and you earn a sustainable income. And this Whop has over 28,000 members who are actively learning how to make UGC content and currently earning. And you can see their own leaderboard. They have branding who have made over $124K, Brett who has made over $113K, and so on and so forth. So what they do in this particular Whop is that they learn how to create UGC content for brands, and they earn money from the videos or the content that they have created for brands based on the performance. Now this is just a sneak peek of what View is, of what Whop is all about. Now who can create Whop? Anybody can create a Whop, but to create a Whop, you need to have value or a business you are offering to people. That's what will make them participate in your Whop. Now, without further ado, I'm going to take you into the Whop platform and show you all the features, how it works, and also how you can make money from it. Without further ado, let's go and see Whop platform and know everything about it. Guys, this is a Whop platform I'm talking about. Now, before I take you further, let me explain the features that you need to know about Whop. Now, this is the home tab. As you can see my cursor there is the home tab. This is the search tab where you can search anything on the Whop platform. This is the discover tab to discover new Whops, new programs, new tags, new bounties that you can participate in to make money. And this is the message tab where you can have private chat with people, your friends or counterparts in the Whop platform. This is your notification tab where you can see notification that concerns you in particular. And this is the dashboard where you can see your progress, how much you make, and other stuff. This is the affiliate tab where you can find your affiliate link for any Whop affiliate platform you sign up for. And this is your profile. And this is my profile in Whop, Mr. Whop Guy, my username, and this is my balance here. So just quickly created the account, as you can see. So this is for general. So the general, you set up your name. Okay, your name can be a guy name. Then you set up your bio, your username, and other stuff. Then the created account. So to make money from Whop, it is mostly a creator platform. So you have to create content and sharing it on mostly TikTok, Twitter, YouTube, whatever platform. So you have to connect your platform. Okay, you can come here and connect platform. And the best is that you can connect more than one platform. So if you already have existing followers in your platform, then that's a bonus for you. You can easily make money faster. But you don't actually need too much of audience to make money. because you can start with zero audience and you still make money using the Whop platform through the help of AI and BGC content and also AI content. And I will show you how to do that while you are in the Whop side hustle uh, session. Now you can connect more than one account, you can connect more than one Twitter, connect more than one Telegram, connect more than one TikTok, connect more than one YouTube, and connect more than one Instagram, where you can make money from some of the features I'm going to show you, like clipping, bounties, and content rewards. So here is the security and privacy. Okay, you can set how you want to secure your account. As for payment method, set how you're going to pay. You can see I have my credit card. Yes, for balance. Balance here, you see how much you have made from work. You can withdraw to bank. You can withdraw your money here. Yes, you see your balance. Yes, you see your billing history for what you buy, what you have paid for. This is the platform that I'm currently in. So here is where you see your membership and wherever platform that you are already or whatever work you are in already. And this is for the profile. And the homepage here you're going to see the general work platform. So here is what are you creating. If you want to create something, you can create. These are different work that I am in, the chat. So this is work clip here. This is work clip. I'm currently in work clips. So in work clips now, you're going to learn how to create clips and you're going to create clips and make money. As it works. So if I want to change this work, I'll click here. I can write a review about this work. If it's good, I'll write a review. If it's not good, I'll write a review. And I can change the chat to see other functions or other features inside this swap. Okay, so here is chat. If you click on here, you're going to see announcements, clipping course. This clipping course teach you how to clip. Clipping deals will show you the available deals that you can participate in to make money. And clipping will content reward will show you the kind of content to create to make money. So this is just how the work platform works. So this is for the home. So the home is based on the current works that you are currently in that determines the your home feature. So here you can see my here is for search. If you're looking for something in particular, then you can search it through using the search tab. Okay, and search whatever you want to search through the search tab. There's also an app on Play Store where you can download to get the mobile version. So you can just actually navigate the platform. You're going to see all of these features I'm showing you, and you will get a very clear overview or view of what the Whop platform is all about. Okay, and how you can use it and how it works. Now, I think that's where I'm going to draw the line for this session. Now, in the next session, I will be teaching you different ways that you can use to make money from work. And that is the most important thing. And I want you to stay tuned and take action so that you can also make work to work for you. So let's meet on the next episode. Cheers.